What if I told you that October 18th quietly holds some pivotal moments in car history, moments that changed designs, factories, and legacies? Let me take you on a journey through time, exploring those hidden nuggets. In 1919, on October 18th, Rolls-Royce of America was officially established. It's tempting to picture a stately car with the spirit of ecstasy cruising down a US road, but the deeper story is about ambition. A British brand reaching across the Atlantic, staking a claim in the burgeoning American market. That move planted a seed, luxury automotive identity crossing oceans. Then, jump ahead to 1933. On October 18th, R. Buckminster Fuller submitted the patent application for his Dymaxion car. Now, this wasn't your everyday sedan. Imagine a pod-shaped, three-wheeled, futuristic vehicle that could carry 11 people. Fuller dreamed big. The car was part vehicle, part aerodynamic experiment, part architectural sculpture. It's like he treated cars as canvases to paint possibility. Though it never became mainstream, it reminds us that real innovation often lives in the fringes. Fast forward to 1939, and on October 18th, the Automotive Hall of Fame was founded, but not yet in Dearborn, originally by a group called the Automobile Old-Timers. Its purpose? To honor the people, ideas, and machines that shaped this world of wheels. Think of it like a shrine to automotive memory, a place where the past keeps speaking to the present. Then, in 1976, October 18th was the day that Ford's smallest car to that point, the Fiesta, began mass production at the Valencian plant in Spain. It's a compact turning point. Automakers were realizing that people needed small, efficient mobility. The Fiesta wasn't just a car, it was a bet on fuel economy, urban sensibility, and the idea that big doesn't always mean better. And one of the more dramatic chapters, October 18th, 1982. On that day, the DeLorean factory in Northern Ireland was formally shuttered by the British government. The gleaming promise of the stainless steel gull-wing car, tied to legal troubles and financial strain, came crashing down. The factory's closure was like a curtain falling on a wild dream. DeLorean's story remains one of brilliance, risk, and the fragility of innovation. Each of these moments, establishment, invention, honoring legacy, production shifts, collapse, shows us a different shade of the automotive world. It's not just shiny cars and speed, it's ambition, failure, culture, and vision. If any of these surprised you, drop a comment with which one you want a deeper video on. And if you enjoy these On This Day in Auto History dives, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Hey all! Before you go, don't miss this. Here is a video selected just for you by YouTube to watch next. Go ahead, click the video you know you want to. I'll see you there.